What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video, we're doing an update on the crypto trading series, turning $1,000 into $10,000, doing a 10x throughout 2021. We're actually up over 40% from the first video, pretty huge. Engine went up massively as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm selling and what new altcoins I'm going to be buying that are bullish for March. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so we're off to a great start in this series. We already turned the 1,000 into 1,450 because Engine went up so much, but Litecoin and Cardano ADA are also up pretty big. I would have sold ADA at the peak the day before the Merry hard fork, but because I was moving, I didn't have the time to do the video update, but it's still up here. We're going to sell half the ADA in this video, and we're going to sell all the Engine, and I'm going to show you guys what altcoins we're going to be buying and why. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. If you do follow my trades, you should do so at your own risk. And understand, these are altcoins that are much higher risk because they're smaller. These are also altcoins I'm only buying because they have major events coming up. I do not hold these altcoins long term. So because this is a trading series, we're basically just trying to swing trade altcoins that are bullish for the upcoming couple weeks. So this is kind of a midterm trading, not day trading. So for those that are following the series, we're going to be doing updates once every week or two, depending on how much the altcoins are up and when I see it's a good time to do an update here. So I also want to let you guys know I did partner with Voyager App for this series. So if you guys do sign up for Voyager using my referral code, that will be over the screen here. You can also use the link in the video description. That will give you an expedited sign up process. So the normal sign up verification process is a half week to a week, but by using my link, they'll rush that to 24 hours to 48 hours, depending on how much they're backed up. And you'll also get a $25 bonus, depositing and trading $100 as well. So that does give you a great start with this series as well. So be sure, if you haven't signed up for the Voyager app, to use my link and referral code, and you will get that bonus. So Voyager app is currently just on Android and iOS. They are working on a desktop version that will be coming soon. And they are rolling out to Canada and Europe very soon as well, I believe in the next 30 days. So if you do want to join on the trading series, you can use other exchanges. I recommend Binance.com for global users that are outside of the United States. There is a link for that in the video description as well, and you will get trading discounts using my Binance link as well. Alright guys, so jumping into the markets, we have a great recovery for Bitcoin right now, testing $51,000. Which is great. I do think Bitcoin will be on the move upwards to $60,000, which is great for the entire crypto space. Ethereum still hasn't recovered to the $2,000 level, but I do believe Ethereum will have its time again soon. There's a lot of different layer 2s being developed to solve the gas fee problem. Cardano ADA did have the Merry hard fork successfully launch. Over 1,000 coins have been minted on the Cardano blockchain, which is huge. Other major updates coming as well, which is why I'm not going to sell all the ADA in this video. Litecoin, I'm huge on. Out of the top 10 for March, I'm pretty much the biggest on Litecoin right now. So we will be picking up some more Litecoin. And we will be picking up a couple smaller altcoins as well, with some major events coming up in March that have high potential. So in the next trading series update, I'll actually be showing you guys the trades live using the Voyager app. Currently, I'm holding a good amount of ADA and other coins in here because they do pay interest if you do hold a lot of altcoins in this app, which I really like. Up to 9.5% is pretty huge. So a lot of altcoins you can earn interest just holding in the Voyager app. So like I said, if you do want to get that $25 Bitcoin bonus, be sure to use my referral code and the link in the video description. But keep in mind, this is only United States right now. All right, guys, so here's our updated spreadsheet. It's getting pretty messy, but I will figure out a way to better organize this for the next video. So in the last video, we did buy these altcoins starting with $1,000. The goal is to do a 10x, turning this 1,000 into 10,000. Swing trading altcoins throughout 2021, and we're already up huge to a great start here. So I did add this updated section, the current market value of these altcoins that I did buy here. So I did buy one Litecoin, 626 ADA, and 440 Engine. I wish I got more Engine because that went up the most. We got it at 45 cents, basically picking up Engine at the bottom during that market dip. Now today it hit $1.30. I actually sold the Engine at $1.18 though. So over a 2x is just massive in that short period of time, just a couple weeks. I'm not sure what day we actually did the last video, but definitely up huge for a short period of time. Litecoin is up the least, but I do think Litecoin is more bullish for March. That's why I picked up the smallest amount of Litecoin in that last video, and I did pick up more Litecoin in this video. So the updated prices here, Litecoin at 188, the ADA is worth 770 now, and the Engine going from $200 to $520. Our total value now is $1,470. So we're up over 40% in just a very short period of time, which is a great start to the series. I definitely think we're going to be able to do that 10x. So updated trades, what I did with these coins, I did sell all the Engine because this is a trading series. This is a great project though in the gaming and NFT industry. So if we do see any dips outside of this trading series, I will be picking up some Engine to hold long term. But I did sell all the Engine because we are up so huge, and I did want to pick up some other altcoins that are bullish for March. I also sold a little over half of the ADA since that's also up, but I did keep 300 ADA just because that's bullish throughout all of 2021. And they do have other big announcements coming in and everything, so we really don't know when the price of ADA is going to explode to $2 to $3, which I also think is possible during March. So here's the altcoins we bought in this video. We got 3 more Litecoins, so we have a total of 4 Litecoin now, and we picked this up at $190 per Litecoin, and we spent $570 out of this total amount that we sold, which is $900. So the 2 new altcoins I picked up in this video is HBAR and AVAX. These are both top 100 cryptocurrencies that have major events coming in March, and both of these are listed in the Voyager app. So Voyager doesn't have too many coins yet. They have over 50 altcoins in the app, but I did pick these because they do have high potential here, and we will go over the major events. So I did pick up 1,764 HBAR coins at 13 cents each, which spent $230 on that. AVAX I picked up a little less at 3.57 coins at $28 per AVAX coin. For a total of $100, just to be a little bit more diversified. So as we grow the portfolio, we will be doing a little bit more diversification just to play it safe as well. Starting with just $1,000, it's hard to really be very diversified, and it gets a little bit too messy, and when you're not playing with too much money and having to do all the research and everything, it's just not worth it, which is why we just started with 2 safe top 10 coins and then 1 altcoin that was bullish for March. Now we're expanding a little bit, and as we go, we probably will do 4 or 5 altcoins at a time. Alright guys, so to find major events coming up for altcoins, I use coinmarketcal.com, which is just a calendar website where you can find major events coming up. You can do different searches and search specific coins as well in certain date ranges. So we are searching for the next month. Litecoin, we have the Mimblewimble code review coming up mid-March, which is adding a privacy feature to Litecoin, which makes it the only top 10 crypto with a privacy feature, which is just massive because crypto is big on privacy and decentralization. So not only that, but PayPal crypto merchant payments should be launching in March as well, because they did state Q1. March is the last month of Q1. Litecoin is the cheapest coin out of the 4 coins on PayPal, and I do like Litecoin more than Bitcoin Cash. So a couple different things for Litecoin here. I definitely think Litecoin's time is going to be coming very soon. So I do think it's very possible we see Litecoin pass $500 throughout March if PayPal crypto merchant payments do launch. As we can see, the all-time high for Litecoin was around $350. We're still about half of that. So Litecoin still has some huge potential. The volume, as you guys can see lately, is much higher than it was when it did hit those peak prices in the last bull market. Litecoin is on Grayscale Trust as well, which there was some news. Litecoin is trading at an 1800% premium via Grayscale's Litecoin Trust. So there is a lot of people bullish on Litecoin, especially with the PayPal crypto merchant payments coming. I think any big attention towards Litecoin can really make this skyrocket, especially because this is only a $12.5 billion market cap. So for Litecoin to hit that $1,000, it would still be less than $100 billion market cap, which is still about 1/10 of Bitcoin's market cap. So a lot of people consider Litecoin the silver to Bitcoin being gold. But if Litecoin really is the silver, I think it has a lot of growth to do to even be considered the silver. So we'll see how things play out. I think a lot of announcements could be coming of merchants accepting Litecoin as payment for the first time ever with that launch of PayPal. So I really hope PayPal is on schedule for that. I haven't heard anything about that since they announced it for Q1. So that could be a surprise announcement. And when that happens, I think Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Bitcoin could be pumping huge overnight. And then we'll be getting thousands of announcements of merchants over time as well that are accepting payment in cryptocurrency for the first time. PayPal crypto merchant payments is one of the biggest things for 2021 that not many people are really talking about. All right, guys, so now we're going to take a look at HBAR, which is Hedera Hashgraph. So I haven't done proper research into this project. I'm only buying this altcoin on because it's available on the Voyager app and because they have a lot of major events here, as you guys can see. Probably one of the projects with the most events during March out of all the altcoins available on Voyager. So lots of different things here that could bring a lot of awareness and demand to the project throughout March, which can definitely help pump the price in the short term. So this is going to be a quick flip for me, but I will be doing more research on altcoins outside of this series. So keep in mind, this is high risk. You should do your own research as well. And I'm only picking this up with a small amount for a quick flip in the trading series. So lots of different stuff here: network automation, token service, HTS demo, HCS based NFT demo. So another one in the NFT space. This project is huge on NFTs. I did do a little bit of research, and this could definitely be a big project in the NFT space. Rosetta API integration. So lots of huge things here. I definitely think this has high potential for March. And then our last one is AVAX. And then I will talk about some bonus coins as well that I didn't pick up that you may want to look out outside of this series as well. So AVAX, which is Avalanche, has actually gone up a lot recently. So they do have a few different things here. Another one in the NFT space. So staking and NFT support coming, I think they said around mid-March. So that's pretty huge. The launch of staking and NFT support is a massive thing for a project. European stablecoin launching, and AVAX Berserk's partnership as well. So a couple major events here. This is a big project that's been growing rapidly. If we check it out on CoinMarketCap. So I did buy a very small amount of this, only $100, just to be a little bit more diversified, around $27.50. As you guys can see, it did peak out beginning February, touching close to $60, and now it is finding a new support level. So I do see this as a good buy-in zone as well, since it did find support with major events coming up. Is a good sign in my opinion, especially with Bitcoin and the crypto space recovering in general, which is why I picked this up. So I might buy some more of this outside of the trading series, but I did see this as a good small purchase just to be diversified. And then the HBAR around 13 cents. As we can see, that did drop a little bit as well and is now starting to rise again. It did hit about 15 cents. So lots of major events coming up in the NFT space. As we just saw, Engine is also big in NFTs, and they just did massive gains in a very short period of time. So I do think these are some good picks for the next couple weeks. I will keep you guys updated and everything. So a couple bonuses here I do want to let you guys know about as well is NEM and COTI as well. So this one, COTI, has major events coming up, and something huge here is AdaPay on the Shelly mainnet with Cardano. So that's pretty massive as well, but this is not on the Voyager app yet. So I will be buying some of this outside of this trading series because, as you guys can see, lots of major events here. Just crazy how many events are coming up for this. AdaPay exchanges mainnet 1.0, debit card and bank account, CVI mainnet launch, exchange license Ultra 2.0, adding liquidity, ledger support, integration with Celsius. Just crazy how much stuff is coming up for this. So with a lot of demand coming to this project, I definitely think this could do well in the, throughout March as well. So like I said, a couple bonuses here. One is NEM, which has a snapshot and pre-launch opt-in closing on March 12th and the mainnet launch on March 15th. So the price of NEM has been going up a little bit, but it's about half from its all-time high. So leading up to this, the price could be going up as demand rises. And then another bonus is SparkPoint. Their new March monthly roadmap is pretty huge, doing a massive token buyback and burn, the S-Fuel airdrop for SRK holders, which happens only once per quarter. So these two things happening once per quarter is pretty huge. They also have iOS wallet early preview, and then SparkSwap early preview launch as well, which is a swap website using the Binance Smart Chain. They're launching their own swap, which is going to bring utility to the tokens as well. So SparkPoint just announced a trading competition on KuCoin as well, and they just got listed on KuCoin, which is their biggest exchange now. So a great place to pick up SRKs on KuCoin. If you guys do want to pick up SRK on KuCoin, I do have a link in the video description. I do appreciate you guys using that link. It does support the channel, but of course you don't have to if you don't want to. So that could definitely help bring a lot of volume and demand to SRK while all these major events are rolling out. SparkPoint just keeps getting bigger and bigger every month, which is why this is one of my top projects and a cryptocurrency I've done over 50x on in the last couple years. And their main goal here is to get on Binance within 2021. They launched S-Fuel on the Binance Smart Chain, so I do think they are going to be able to achieve getting listed within Binance. At the same time, all these other major things and getting in big on decentralized finance. I also spoke to Andy, the CEO, about possibly getting SRK on the Cardano blockchain, so we'll see how that plays out. That would be massive. So that's it for today's trading series challenge update, turning $1,000 into $10,000 throughout 2021, doing a 10x. I definitely think we're going to achieve this goal, and we're already off to a great start, and we picked up some great altcoins for March that are bullish. So I will keep you guys updated here, and I do have a couple other big updates for the channel and everything coming as well, so be sure to be subscribed and hit the bell. If you found this video useful, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family, especially if they may be interested in getting into the crypto space and only have a small amount of funds to get started. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.